Welcome to YouTube, and today we're diving deep into a car that's redefining luxury in ways that might just surprise you. This is the 2025 Genesis G90, a flagship that doesn't follow the typical rules of high-end sedans. If you're looking for something that blends prestige, performance, and technology in a bold, non-European package, you might want to stay tuned, because the G90 has quietly become a serious contender in the world of ultra-luxury. At first glance, the design language of the 2025 G90 is clean, elegant, and powerful. It doesn't shout, it whispers class. The signature crest grille has been refined further, now appearing more seamlessly integrated with the quad micro LED headlights that are sleek and razor-thin. The long, sculpted hood and smooth, flowing lines down the sides give this sedan a commanding presence without unnecessary exaggeration. You don't see unnecessary chrome accents here. Instead, you see refinement in proportions, attention to detail, and a design that breathes confidence. Step inside, and things get even more impressive. Genesis has put everything into the G90s. Interior. The cabin is finished in the finest Napa leather with real wood trim and metal accents that feel bespoke. Every material has been selected for tactile excellence. And you notice that from the moment you close the soft-close doors, silence. The 2025 G90 is engineered for tranquility. Noise-canceling tech, laminated glass, and an incredibly insulated cabin give you a peaceful, serene driving experience that competes with the best, the rear seat experience, arguably one of the best in the segment. Executive seating in the back offers full recline, massage functions, heated and ventilated seats, and a full entertainment system. Genesis understands that many G90 owners will be driven rather than drive, and they've responded with rear comfort that rivals even the likes of Maybach and the S-Class. Now let's talk about technology. The G90 doesn't lag behind. In fact, in many areas, it's leading. A massive digital cockpit combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment display, both high-resolution and intuitive. The new Genesis UX is responsive and elegant with haptic feedback, natural voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. Over-the-air updates ensure the system stays current. And there's even fingerprint authentication for added security. And then there's the sound. The Bang & Olufsen 3D PREM IEM audio system in the G90 isn't just an entertainment system, it's a concert hall. With more than 23 speakers and perfectly tuned acoustics, you'll hear your favorite music with clarity and depth that's unmatched in this segment. Under the hood, the 2025 G90 offers two powertrain options. The base engine is a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, producing around 375 horsepower, while the more advanced model includes the same engine paired with a 48-volt e-supercharger, bumping the power up to 409 horsepower. Power delivery is smooth and immediate, and the 8-speed automatic transmission is tuned for both comfort and quick shifts when needed. All-wheel drive is available, giving the G90 confident grip and composure in all road conditions. But the real magic of the G90 lies in its ride quality. Genesis uses multi-chamber air suspension and preview electronic damping that scans the road ahead to adjust in real time. The result is a floating, cloud-like ride that still maintains body control in corners. This is not just a car you drive, it's a sanctuary on wheels. Safety-wise, the G90 leaves no stone unturned. It includes the full suite of Genesis Smart Sense features: adaptive cruise control with machine learning, lane centering, blind spot view monitor, forward collision assist with junction detection, and even a remote parking system. This car can literally park itself while you stand outside holding the key fob. What makes the 2025 G90 so special isn't just its luxury or features. It's how all these elements are put together in harmony. It's a car that doesn't rely on a badge to make a statement. It does so with substance. Genesis has evolved from a new player to a brand that's challenging the very definition of what a flagship sedan should be. So if you've been thinking luxury means German, think again. The 2025 Genesis G90 is proof that luxury can be reimagined. with elegance, innovation, and quiet confidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more detailed reviews like this. See you in the next one.